Good morning, guys. Abundant Alchemist here, helping you navigate this bumpy bull run. Gonna get into a couple of things here. Bitcoin currently at 43,165. Ethereum 3,045. Cardano, ADA, $2.12. Did you buy the dip? Or were you scared? Did you sell it all? Historically, over the past couple of years, Bitcoin has had a gain of over $900,000. If you follow me on my Instagram, you'll see a graph of all the top equities, commodities, assets, and their gains over time. So follow me on the Abundant Alchemist on Instagram. I will also be posting about my DLive account so that I cannot be censored. Moving forward, CNBC and The Hill reports on how Federal Reserve officials have been possibly stock insider trading. So check out those news sources for more on that story. And listen, is anything going to happen to them? Are they going to do time? Probably not. Now, I don't know if you understand about what's going on with the difference between the Fed and government. These are not government officials for the most part. They pretty much own the game, and they're not going to face any repercussions. If me and you did anything like this, we'd be thrown out of the jail. Not the case with these people. They own you. They own us. They own the system. They are the puppets of banksters that run the world. I digress. Forbes speaks on how the markets have been correlated, traditional markets and crypto markets. Evergrande is just one company showing this larger global debt problem. Falling of value of stocks and commodities was at about 1.7%. Bitcoin touched, I thought I saw like 40,800 at one point. Yesterday night, at the time of their story, Forbes reported a low of about 41,500. So there was more of a 10% dip in Ethereum and ADA as well. Again, S&P 500 fell about 1.7, which is a lot for traditional markets. So my question is, will traditional investors get tired of this manipulation of the market and hop into crypto? You know, if anything, what's happening with Evergrande just shows how crypto really has a promising future, because crypto is based off of not having the ability to just print money out of thin air, and it promotes owning assets that are limited and not living off of debt. Now, there is leverage trading. Now, there are certain coins that may not follow these rules, but I'm speaking for the most part what somebody who has a solid head on their shoulders would get into when it comes to crypto and assets that they could call solid assets. So I'm gonna get into in a future video how MasterCard, Visa is developing a UN card which will follow carbon footprint credits model for a 2023 launch plan. At the moment, I'm saying risk off, risk on. Anything that you consider risky is worth getting into. A lesson that I got was always keep liquidity, cash flow on the side, ready for a buying opportunity, even if it looks super bullish. We tested the 20-week smooth moving average at about 40 to 39,000. To keep in mind, 50-week moving average is about 37,500, where there's a possible test coming, and the 200-week moving average, which is really less important, is at about 20,100, which is what I would consider the true value of Bitcoin, the at cost value, the cut the middleman out value. And if there's another huge crash after this bull run and the top hits, that will be the type of price that I'll be looking to buy in at. Peace. Please like, share, and subscribe. Got a plug.